Brand Samsung. Model name Samsung Galaxy M04. Processor type MediaTek Helio P35. Processor core Octa-core. Processor primary clock speed 2.3 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53. Secondary clock speed 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53. Operating system Android 12. Time of OS up to date. Architecture 64-bit. Fabrication 12nm. Graphics RAM 4 GB. Memory 64 GB. Expandable memory yes up to 1 TB. User available storage up to 47.1 GB. Display type PLS LCD. Screen size 6.5 inches. Resolution 720x1600 pixel. Aspect ratio 20:9. Pixel density 270 ppi. Bezel-less display yes with notch. Touchscreen yes. Capacitive touchscreen multi-touch. Design height 164.2 mm. Height 75.9 mm. Thickness 9.1 mm. Weight 188 grams. Camera option rear camera. Primary camera 30 megapixel. Secondary camera 2 megapixel. Autofocus yes. Flash yes. LED flash. Front camera. Primary camera 5 megapixel. Autofocus no. Flash no. Battery capacity 5000 mAh. Battery type Lithium. Removable battery no. Fast charging yes. 10 watt fast charging. USB type C. Network and connectivity slim shot dual SIM GSM plus GSM. SIM size SIM 1 nano SIM 2 nano. Network support 4G 3G 2G multi yes. SIM 1 4G band 3G band 2G band GPRS EDGE. SIM 2 4G band 3G bands 2G bands GPRS EDGE. Wi-Fi yes. Wi-Fi 4. Bluetooth yes. 5.0. GPS yes with the GPS bonus. NFC no. USB connectivity. Mass storage device USB charging. fingerprint sensor, no color sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer.